The typewriter sat untouched in the corner of my late uncle's study, keys yellowed and ribbon dry. I found it one night, the air thick with dust and the scent of mildew. As I reached to clean it, a single key clacked down of its own accord. Then another. Soon words formed on the brittle paper, letter by letter, in a frantic, rhythmic clatter. I watched, frozen, as it spelled out my name, then secrets I'd never told a soul. My childhood fears, my worst regrets, things even I barely remembered. My breath caught as the final line appeared. I know you're watching. I stumbled back, heart racing, but the keys kept pounding, relentless. Don't leave, it demanded. My legs refused to obey, as if rooted by unseen hands. The room grew colder, shadows thickening around me, swallowing the dim light. The typewriter's carriage slammed to the end, ringing out like a scream. The last sentence appeared, ink bleeding down the page. Now you belong to me. My scream died in my throat. The keys fell silent, but my reflection in the study window kept typing, fingers moving long after mine had stopped. The chilling realization settled in. I was no longer alone, and the typewriter had claimed me forever.